Alright, so my name is Brady Johnson. I'm currently 21 years old, and I was born and raised in northern Indiana in a city called Elkhart. I graduated from Elkhart Memorial High School in 2016. After that, I went on to a junior college in Ohio called Hawking College, very small school in a small city. Once I graduated from Hawking in summer of 2018, I of course came to IU and am studying elementary education. I want to teach third or fourth grade. So for technology in the classroom, I believe technology is a great tool to use in education. There are lots of different functions that technology can have in a classroom that can help educate in new and effective ways. Some different online tools that were useful during class was Kahoot, Edpuzzle, S'more, and other stuff. So for some artifacts that I've done, one was the computational thinking artifact, and we were we presented this in a group, created it in a group. My portion was a PowerPoint about data. So it started with the question, what is data? And then we'd have a discussion on it and then present the definition of data and other stuff like that. Also, the questions were, how can data be used in your everyday life, and how can you solve problems using data? Another artifact was the PBL lesson plan that I created. This was about presenting knowledge and ideas and just overall just improving students' skills in presenting. And in this, I used two artifacts. One was Nearpod, where I created a mini lecture, and it had a video that the whole class would watch and then discuss afterwards. The other was a concept map that had the basic knowledge and skills that would be used for presenting knowledge that the students would use and build off on when doing their own research on it. Also, for one of my batches, I created a Jeopardy game. For this game, it's pretty simple. It just would be used to help the students like study for a quiz or test the day before. It has different subjects like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, fractions, and yeah, it's a pretty simple game just based on math students can use. For this badge, it was a logo design. I created a badge which, although it says 5th grade, I want to teach 4th to 3rd. I mean, 5th grade maybe too, we'll see. But for this, I used Photoshop to create this logo. I just wanted to create it fairly simple. I just used the colors from my high school, and I just threw a pencil in there to kind of make it look more educational. So for the reflection, I just think using technology in the classroom is very important because it's just a great way to educate students. It's a way to get students engaged in new ways, and it can be very useful for educating. I just think W200 was great help for that, introducing me to new resources that I can use technology wise to integrate into my future classroom. I think it'll be great use. And yeah, I really hope to use everything I've learned in this class and put it in my future classroom.